Hey guys, if you have been spending money buying foaming booster and you want to reduce the cost of your production by making it by yourself, this video is for you. Welcome back to Gloria Home of Skills. So in this channel you'll be able to learn all kinds of DIY soap making. So please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's go. These are the materials that I use in this production. This is caustic soda. This is about 14 grams, and this is 50 grams of Texapon. This is Texapon. So the next material is sulphonic acid. So this is about 100 mils of sulphonic acid. So I'll be using 600 mils of water. So that is what I'm just showing you guys right now. So the next is our mixing bowl and our turning stick. So in this production, so this is actually not necessary. This is color. This is golden yellow color. So this sells very well. This color sells very well in Nigeria. So this is the color I usually see when I want to buy a foaming booster. So if you want to make this as business, you look for the color that is selling very well in your country. So I will begin our production with pouring in some water, but before I do that I have to wear my glove because of some corrosive materials that I'll be using, something like caustic soda and sulphonic acid. So that's why it's good for you to wear your glove. So make sure you cover your hands. So I'll be pouring in some small amount of water into this, and I'll be using this to dissolve my caustic soda. For people that will be confused, so let me explain very well. So I took some small amount of water from the 600 mils of water that I'll be using to dissolve it. As you can see the way this thing poured in my hand. If I didn't cover my hands, it's going to be scratching me or to give me a burn in my hands. So that's why I said you should cover your hands, please. So I'm going to be stirring this until it turns to a clear water, and I'll set it aside. So let's move to the next stage. So this is my mixing bowl and the turning stick that I'll be using. So I'm going to transfer my Texapon in there. So after doing that, I'm going to add my sulphonic acid and stir it properly for it to be well combined. So let me explain very well for you guys to understand the work of all these chemicals. This is a Texapon gel. This acts as a foaming agent in our production. So once you're making a production and you want a foaming agent, it will work as a foaming agent. So the sulphonic acid is also a foaming agent. Here is quite alright. It's a foaming agent, but it cannot work without being activated. So the next material is caustic soda. Caustic soda is a cleaning agent, but in this production it will work as a neutralizing agent because of the acidity of the sulphonic acid. It will also work as a cleaning agent too, but this is why I am using it, so that my sulphonic acid will be activated. So once it has dissolved, gradually add in the mixed caustic soda. This is a dissolved caustic soda, so do not add everything at once so that you won't find it difficult to mix. So just gradually add it bit by bit and stir, so you will find out that the color will begin to change. Guys, sorry that my hands were covering the view. So once the dissolved caustic soda has finished, you can start adding the remaining water. stir this until the color changes to white. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video and share. Now I'll be adding in the remaining water. Remember I said that is 600 ml of water that I used. If you want to add more, there's no problem, you can add at least 100 ml to make it 700 in case you want, but if you don't want, you can just use the 600 ml. So I used about 600 ml of water. So but if you want to add more, feel free to add a little, like 100 ml, but do not add more than that to avoid being watery. So what I just added now is the color. This is the golden yellow that I said that I'm going to add, but this is optional. You can leave it like this, or you can feel free to add. It's your choice. So but this color sells very well in my area. So this color is just for beautification. It doesn't add to the foaming power, so that's why I said it's optional. So I have finished mixing it. I'm going to be leaving it for 24 hours for everything, all this bubble, to go off. So this is how it's looking like right now. So after 24 hours the color is going to change to a clear foaming booster. Look at it. So I added this color too much, but it's still okay. I would have just added a little. So in case if you want to produce yours, so please reduce hand in the color. Though this doesn't make any changes, this looks exactly like cocoa and my cocoa B10. So I'm going to be transferring it into a plastic container, and anytime I want to produce a soap, whether liquid soap or bar soap, I'm going to be using this to my soap production. So this is it. I'm going to be transferring it right now. So after that, I'm still going to test how it foams. I'm still going to test it, so stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, if you want to learn all kinds of soap making, check the number on the screen and contact me. You can contact me on WhatsApp or my Telegram. That's where you'll get me. So guys, please like this video, subscribe, and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.